Good morning everyone. I myself Dharamveer Singh welcomes you on the behalf of J. Somnath English Medium School. Students, today we are going to learn Standard 5th English, a beautiful poem, that is poem number 5, The Lazy Frog. Now who are called lazy means a child or a person who did not like to do anything. Such kind of persons are known as lazy. So here on our school days, so whenever the school days are going on, at present the holidays are there, so all the time you will be taking the time in the rest and everything, means whenever your mother also calls you out, that time you feel quite lazy to do something. So here it is a poem of a frog who is just like a lazy child who do not want to do anything. Now let's start. So poem 5, The Lazy Frog. Fred is a very lazy frog. So the name of the frog is Fred. Fred is a very lazy frog who lows all day up a log. Lows means to lie around lazily, and log means the trunk of a tree. So here the frog named Fred, who is all the time lying on one of the log. Log means it is a trunk of a tree that has been cutted out. So on the side of the lake or a river, there might be one of the log over there. So this Fred is all the time found lolls, means lying on that broken log. He always managed to shrink doing a single stroke of work. So all the time for the whole day, only one work he used to do. At one time he used to enter the water, and next in the second moment he used to come and lie again on that log, doing a single stroke of work. His poor old mother calls in vain. In vain means uselessly. So his mother, the Fred's mother, all the time he used to call the Fred, but it was quite useless. Means the Fred, that means the Fred would not hear his mother's sound. So his poor mother calls in vain, come in and help, he does not bother. So his mother all the time he comes and calls the Fred to help him in the household work, but the Fred is all the time busy lying on the log. To move 2 inches, much preferring to be extreme hard of hearing. So this Fred, what he used to do whenever his mother used to call out, so he never used to listen his mother, but he was happily lying down on the log and enjoying the time. He lies there in a silent heap and stay conveniently asleep. So he all the time used to sit there and he used to sleep. If a lady frog hopped past, you had think that he would get up at last. So we might be thinking that if any of the lady frog, if a lady frog would be moving around him, that time we might be thinking that the frog, that this Fred, he would wake up and try to help the lady frog. To bow and help her on her way. Bow means to show respect. So whenever the lady frog used to pass near this Fred, we might be thinking that the Fred might wake up and he would bow. Bow means to bend with a great respect and to help the frog. But no, I am ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye. But we are completely wrong. Here the Fred, he loves to enjoy a sleep. So even though a lady frog is also been moving out, that time also Fred would lie there and he would not even open his single eye. So here comes the end of the poem. In this poem we have learned that how the lazy the frog is, but we should not be much lazy. We must work hard in order to succeed.